Hello everyone, Merlin here from Brickheadz, and today I'm going to show you how to build Mario and Luigi Brickheadz. First, we're going to make Mario. These are the pieces you're going to need for Mario's body. We're going to start off with the legs. First, we're going to need these two 1x2 brown pieces. Then we're going to get 4 of the same brick but in blue. I'm going to put those on top of each other like that. And then we're going to put them on top of the brown bits, and those are his little legs. Then we're going to get a 2x4 blue brick and put that on top of the 2 legs. And then we're going to get a 4x4 plate and put that on top of there, and that will be the start of his body. Now we're going to get 4 1x1 bricks, and we're going to put those all in the corners of the body, like so. Now we're going to get some 1x2 blue bricks, put those on the sides, like there and there. And then we're going to get one of these pieces. I'm pretty sure it's a completely square studs not on top piece. I don't know the exact name of it, but it's in every Brickheadz set. You should get at least 12 of them in a Brickheadz set. Then we're going to get 4 1x1 pieces with a stud on the side. And then we're going to put that beside each other on the front and the back. Of course, you could use a 1x2 piece with 2 studs on a side, but I don't have those in blue, so I'm using these. So we're going to put those on there like so. Then we're going to get 2 yellow bricks. These can be anything. These can be like any color you want. These are just filler in bricks. They're not going to be shown in the model. And yellow is one of my most biggest amount of pieces, so I'm just using yellow. Now we're going to get 2 1x2 red pieces, and we're going to put those on the front and the back like that. Then we're going to get 4 1x1 pieces with a stud on the side, and we're going to put these on the corners on top of the 1x1 bricks like that. Then this can be on either side, whichever side you want to be the front. We're going to get 2 jumper plates, and we're going to put these 2 yellow 1x1 round studs on the jumper plates, like so. These are going to be his buttons. Of course, you could use 1x1 round tiles instead, with the tiles that are flat, that are also used for the eyes, but you could have those in yellow for his buttons. But of course, I don't have those in yellow, so I had to use 1x1 round pieces. And then you're going to put those on the sides of the red 1x1 pieces. Then we're going to get a 1x2 tile and put that on the 2 1x1 studs not on top pieces. And on the back we're going to get 3 of the same brick, and we're going to put them all on the back bits like that. Now we're going to make the hands. They're both exactly the same, so we get 2 2x2 plates in red, get a 1x2 brick, white brick with a clip on the side. That's going to be his hand. Then we're going to get a 1x2 tile in red, of course. Then we're going to put those on each side on the grey bricks. Now to finish off the body, we're going to get a red 2x4, put it up here, and 2 1x4 tiles, and we're going to put those beside the red bit. And that's Mario's body. These are the pieces you're going to need for making Mario's head. Now when making the head, we're going to have to start off with the body, of course. Then We're going to have to get all of the grey bit pieces with the 4 studs on the side of it and place them on the body in this order. So we're going to put that one on the front, 2 on each side. Basically them all going around with 1 on the front and the back and 2 on the sides, all the way at the bottom. And then on the top we're going to get 2 at the top, at the front, and 1 at each side. Then on the back we're going to get a 1x4 plate in red. I'm going to place that there. Then we're going to get a 1x4 red brick. It can have like, I just use any of my red bricks, and I would never use this piece. This is actually quite an old piece. I never use it. I'm going to use it for this. I get a 1x4 red tile. Put that on the top, like that. Then we're going to make the center of the head. So for that you're going to need 3 2x2 bricks in any color. Doesn't matter, because these, remember, this is not being used. I'm using these pieces with eyes on them because I never use them for anything. And of course that's a fake brick, but I'm like I don't really care. I'm just like going to use it for that because I don't really have any other use for it. I'm going to put that all the way into there, slide it into the center of the head. Then we're going to place 2 1x2 bricks with a like wall coming up it with 2 studs on the side. Put those up on the top of the head like this, and then we're going to get 2 of these, what I believe are called macaroni pieces. I hope that's right. And we're going to put those there, and actually we're going to get 2 more and put those all along the top, clipping onto the wall that we just made. Then we're going to get these 2 red slope pieces, and we're going to clip them onto the stud bit of the macaroni pieces. So like that. Or while we're at the back, we'll get a brown 2x4 brick. We'll put that on the piece of the back, and we're going to put these there and there. So now, for the sides of the head, we're going to get a 1x2 brick in tan, and then we're going to get a 1x2 slope, and then we're going to put that on the 1x2 brick. Then we're going to get a 1x2 brown piece, put that there. While on the side, we're going to get a 2x4 tile, put this up here, and then we're going to get 1x1 brick and put that on the side, and then we're going to get a 1x2 tan tile and a 1x1 tan brick and put that there, all in that order, and basically do the same on the side but opposite. Then on the front we're going to place a 1x4 tile and a 2x4 plate. Then we're in the middle we're going to put a jumper plate, and then we're going to get 2 1x2 plates, put those beside the jumper plates, and get a 1x2 tile and put that above the jumper plate. Then we're going to get the iconic Brickheadz eyes with the little print on them for the eye. It's very hard to see. And put those okay, so we're going to get these. Then we're going to then we're going to get 2 Brickheadz eyes that are in every Brickheadz set. we're going to put those on here. So wait, just make sure they're in the right way as every other brickhead. There. Now we're going to get these two 1x1 tiles that it has a kind of like curved corner. Curved 1x1 tiles, I'm going to call them that. And we're going to put those above Mario's eyes as his eyebrows. Now we're going to make his famous mustache. So we're going to get a 1x1 brick with a weird circle coming off the side. On top of this part of the brick, we're going to put two 1x1 round bricks. Put those there like that. Then we're going to get two 1x1 bricks in brown, and we're going to put those on either side there, like that. And then on either side of those bricks, we're going to put two 1x1 cheese slopes in brown on top of the 1x1 bricks, like that. So they're like kind of facing up. And then we're going to put that on Mario's face. And there's his mustache. That's pretty much his face. So now we're going to make his iconic M. And that's just going to be represented by this 2x2 round tile. Put that like that on top of his head. And then we're going to get two 1x1 plates, and we're going to put one up here and one over there as well. Then we're going to get two 1x4 plates and put those on top of each other. Get a 1x2 plate, and then we're going to get this 1x4 telephone looking curve, and then we're going to put that on top of all that and put that on top of all of that. Now we're going to get this 1x4 curve that looks a bit like the curve that you'd see on the macaroni pieces, except it doesn't have the 1x1 stud coming off the side. So we're going to put that on top of the head. Make sure I don't take Mario's mustache off while I'm doing it, or that would look bad. Then I'm going to get a 1x4 plate, and I'm going to put that up here. Then we're going to get a 2x4 brick, slop that in there, and then we're going to get a 2x4 slope, and we're going to put that on the top, and that is your finished Mario Brickheadz. Now that we've finished making Mario, we can make a little accessory for his hat. A lot of you might be aware of the new Super Mario game, Super Mario Odyssey. We could make the hat have eyes from the actual game. All we need is, I don't even need to take this apart. All we need is two 1x2 dark grey bricks, one 2x3 dark grey plate, and two of these 2x2 circle tiles with eyes on them. And you put them together like that. It's really simple. Then, if we go to Mario, we can actually take the top of his hat off, take this bit here out, place it with the eyes there, and put that on the top. There, now he has eyes, and now he is the Super Mario from Super Mario Odyssey. Now for Luigi. Luigi is literally just like Mario, except you replace the red with lime green and the brown with black, and it's that simple. So you might have noticed on Luigi's hat it's a bit more square than Mario's, and that's because I don't have the right pieces for Luigi, like I did for Mario. So what I did was I made some adjustments to him, and now it looks kind of the same but a little bit more square. So what I did was I got these macaroni pieces and a plate. I put those across instead of the one big piece, 1x4 slope piece there, and then I got all these two slopes here, and I put those down instead of having like this one big slope for Mario. And then on the back I got like a bunch of macaroni pieces and one slope piece, instead of like having the technique here I did with Mario, where I got like these pieces and these like studs not on the top pieces, and I put them off to the side. Underneath for Luigi, underneath, it's not like, nothing's going off to the side, it's all just like up here, there's nothing going off to the side, it's all just there. But on the bottom, these slope pieces are actually on a 1x4 black brick with studs on the side, if you can see that, yeah, there. And I put that there instead of the 1x4 bricks for Mario. So yeah, if you ran out of pieces, that is a good alternative. That was my video on how to make Mario and Luigi Brickheadz, and I'll see you guys later with the next LEGO video. Goodbye!